In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC clone. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Hi, I'm Pablo from novoads. Welcome to the best platform for creating videos with AI. Have a great day.
So to create that video, first we need to go to novoads.ai, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we're going to use the talking actors function, and we need to click here where it says add actors. Now we have to go here where it says my actors, and here, as you can see, I have an actor of myself, but I'm going to do it again to show you. So we have to click here where it says create an actor, and now we have to click here. Here you can choose if you want the actor to be in a vertical format, in a square format, or in a horizontal format. I'm going to choose this one, and now we have to click here. Now we have to upload the image. This can be an AI image if you want, or an image of a person that you know, or whatever you want. So now we have to click here. Now I'm going to center a little bit the image. Here, if you want, you can zoom in, but I'm going to put it like this. So now we have to click here where it says select your actor. Now we have to click here where it says select a voice. And now we have to filter. So in gender, we're going to choose female. In age, a young age, because I'm young. In language, I'm going to choose English. And now we have to choose a voice. So let's search.
Check out the
here in gender, we have to choose male. And well, we can choose an accent, but I don't want. So now let's search.
Bro, this is the most rigged thing I've seen in my lifetime. Football isn't worth.
Just don't give up trying.
A 1-hour workout is.
Hello everyone, this is Aaron's Daily Dose of Internet. I'm here for your...
Love is the mirror that
Another exciting week for AI.
Hi, here's an authentic American voice you can use for your next big project.
So
conversational, yet...
I'm going to choose this one, that I like it. So now we have to click here where it says pick voice. And now here where it says create actor. Now I'm going to select the actor.
Hi.
And here we need to write the dialogue. So I'm going to paste the one I created. Here, as you can see, I put some words in brackets. This is to give some emotions to the video. And now, for example, if you want to change the voice, you can click here. And here you can change the voice as well as we did it. So now we can close this. Here we can increase the speed, the stability, the similarity. But personally, I think that like that is okay. So now we have to click here. Here we can listen the actor voice. So let's listen it.
Hi, I'm Pablo from novoads. Welcome to the best platform for creating videos with AI. Have a great day.
Well, I like it. So let's click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Hi, I'm Pablo from novoads. Welcome to the best platform for creating videos with AI. Have a great day.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The clone looks like me, and the quality is really good. So if you want to do a clone of yourself, now you know it, and I want to remember to you that you can try novoads AI for just $1. This is an offer that any other AI video platform offers. So I recommend you to try it. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.